Alrighty, I don't know why it's zoomed in so far. It is time for Teardown. Alright, I'm gonna show you a little something. It's so horrific. Oh my god, I hate them so much. These freaking beetles, okay? You've probably seen them here, there, wherever. No. This. What the heck? Like, who invited you? This is just too much. And there's like a gajillion more on the inside. Like, what the heck? Ugh, they're hideous. They're all over the bottoms of everything. I don't know if they're just trying to keep warm. I don't care. Get out of my stuff. I don't want all these freaking beetle corpses in my totes. There was cleaning up after finishing taking down those 2 rooms, and I was done, but apparently, I decided to get some vengeance on me, and I was carrying a bundle of fabrics to the pile of fabrics, and I tripped over a round cord, so skidded pretty hard. I'm a dummy, so yes, that really hurts, but it's this and it's all that, so yay! I was done anyway. And then, of course, we got this inside stuff, but that's super easy and is really fast. So, see you soon, ghouls.